Hey guys, I'm new to this. Do you think that I could just like weld that up and grind it back off and this will be fine? Let me know in the comments. This job's already got fun. But when you got to pull out the little air hammer to knock the caps out, you know it's going to be a good day. Alright, so I'm going to use my little fancy kit, a little buffing wheel, clean it up a little bit. Probably going to take the grinder to that. Try to clean it up a little bit so I don't cut myself. Got that one little burr on this side. Old Flex takes care of it. Easy peasy. I think that's pretty good. That little buffing wheel and yin yin inside there. Well, I got my dial indicator and it indicates it's pretty good. I think this side's looser. See, it's pretty good. Nailed her. Let's put it together.
Studio right at the church, feeling inspired to pull out a verse. Feel the bass bumping, whole crew jumping, carry that tempo, I don't need a purse. With my community, they got my back. Devil in trouble when he on my turf. Firm foundation, right on my shirt. Firm foundation, we got it firm. Thank you, Jesus, I love my life. Thank you, Jesus, I got my wife. They be like, how did you find you a keeper? I had to lock in and pay up a price. I know some brothers who say that they want it, but don't wanna listen to any advice. Then I got brothers who got them a blessing amazing when you go and follow the light.
Well, after wasting all that time putting that joint in and cleaning that up, this is what I found on the other end, because I'm stupid and I didn't check. But got a hole behind drive shaft right here. Took out of another set out truck. Well, that was a lot easier than what I was doing. I'm out of here.